Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's create a mandala bowl. So I had taken a short break and now I'm back again. So I have kept my mold ready, the resin ready, some nail art glitters, these some. I'm more concentrating on blue shades, so let's mix the different colors in fast forward. I'm not dusting the mold once again, I'm just adding the glittery or mica color resin here. Also I'll be adding a bit of these colors. These are broken eyeshadow palette. So what I will do, I might go for this or this. I'm just confused. I guess I'll go for this one. Okay, so let's get started and I'll be going fast forward. Bye. So all the colors are ready, my mold is ready. Now I'll again record the pouring process in fast forward, as it will be a very much time consuming process, as I'll be adding different colors in different details. So let's go fast forward. Let's demold this. This is dried, almost dried completely. It's hardened. I'll have to use a heat gun to soften it and then give it a shape of bowl. Actually, when I checked it at night, it was quite in wet condition. This is a bit wetty, but not that much. And also I have to color the details, so first I'll do that, then I'll soften it with heat gun, and after that we give it a shape of bowl. So ready? Ooh, wow. Although a bit of glitter has gone here and there, I love this brown very much. All the colors pop up very nicely here. So I have I'll try this varnish plus mica powder method. Last time I had painted the details with gold paint. Now I'll try this coppery shade. This is, the shade name is red wine. and I'll mix it with varnish and then add the color in the details. That will be in fast forward, and let's check our leftover creations. This is for the first time I'm using a fondant gum paste mold. I've never ever used it until now. Oh, it looks like real wood, so this gives matte results, but I love this. Oh wow, a rose. I guess the resin didn't reach all the corners. I wish it was either yellow or black in the center, but it looks wonderful. Another button. The mold is quite soft, very nice. I guess my resin was thick too much, so it didn't reach all the corners. Look at the leaf, the shine just vanished. If I top coat it, the shine will return, so I can do that. Cute, very cute. Leftover creations are very nice. So let's go fast forward for filling up all the details. So let's top coat it in fast forward. So you wanna see a mess? The resin all just went down from here. I'll see. I'll try to get it out. Let's see what I can do to save it. I'm so heartbroken. Now I'll use the heat gun to soften the mandala resin plate, and we'll give it a shape of bowl. So let's go for fast forward. As you all can see that I was literally struggling here to give it a shape.
So I kept some filled containers above it to give it a slight bend, and I did give it a plate shape instead of bowl. So here are the final results. I hope you all like it, and if you like it, please press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.